Are you looking for a reliable mechanic to repair your vehicle? Look no further than Workhorse Diesel, the premier auto repair shop in Corvallis, Montana. At Workhorse Diesel, we take pride in our reliability and quality of service. Our team of expert mechanics are highly skilled. And if you can't make it to our shop, we offer a convenient mobile service repairing and maintaining, servicing and overhauling all types of vehicles, including cars, trucks, tractors, motorcycles and farm equipment. We can have you safely back to work and back enjoying our scenic Montana roads in no time.